kids! Let's learn colors with balloons. This is a red balloon. R-E-D, red. Here is a blue balloon. B-L-U-E, blue. Wow, a yellow balloon. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. This is a green balloon. G-R-E-E-N, green. A pretty purple balloon. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. Here comes an orange balloon. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. It's a pink balloon. P-I-N-K, pink. This is a black balloon. B-L-A-C-K, black. A white balloon. W-H-I-T-E, white. You did it! You learnt all the colors. Great job, little stars.